Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select who can see what others post on your profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the account settings section, tap on it. Scroll down to the privacy section and click on profile and tagging. Then tap on the second option, who can see what others post on your profile. You have three options here: friends of friends, your friends on Facebook, or only me. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to change it for, and as you can see, this aspect has been updated immediately. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.